Ladies, sis, come closer, I'm talking to you. Are you still wearing those traditional panty shaper? You know those ones that they don't do nothing for you? They flatten your God-given assets. They don't even suck in your tummy. Please, lady, please, sister, toss it away. Please, I have a better option for you too. Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my honest review about this shapewear from Shapellx. In today's video, these two shaper panty by Shapellx. One is mid-rise, the other one is high-rise. You are going to see the difference, and you're going to see the reason why you should lay your hands on this, because particularly the mid-rise is different from your regular, your traditional shaper panty that I mentioned earlier on at the beginning of this video. Here is the first one I'm talking about. This one is called the Hair Slim Mid-Rise Butt Lifting Shaper Panty. It has an upgraded 3 to 15 inches laced waistband. You can see the waistband is very big. You see, that is the upgraded version. When I said upgraded, I mean I know what I'm talking about. All right, and it has the steel bones at the front. Also, it has it, all around at the back. You have two at the front right here, two steel bones right here, and you have three at the back. This side is lined with antimicrobial cotton. Another amazing feature of this is that we have this non-grip slip right here at the thigh area to prevent it from rolling up, and this is what differentiates it from your regular or traditional shaper panty that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. This has an exclusive butt lift design, which our regular or traditional shaper panty doesn't have. I would recommend that you look into this because it has the steel bone held it perfectly on my body. It's not rolling down, and the non-grip slip also help it to stay on my thigh without rolling up, and it was not too tight. Another advantage why I recommend this particular shaper panty is because you can actually wear this with everything, with skirts, with skirts. You can wear it with pants, you can wear it with dress. It's very easy. It's just like you're wearing your regular underpants, panties, but this one is the one that is going to help you to smooth out every contour in any areas of your body. That's just the difference, but it's going to function just like your panties function. Like if you want to use the restroom, you just roll it down and you do your thing and you pull it all back and you're good to go. Before I move to the second one, please do not forget to give me likes on this video, and please leave me comment in the comment section. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, please do consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And let's move on to the second item we have on our agenda today. And this is the second one. Look at that. I really love the color of this. It's called the Hair Slim Butt Lifting High Waist Panty. You can see it like so. If you look at it very well, you will notice that they branded on the waistband. It is branded with Shapellx logo. Also, we have it on the strap. All right. The most amazing thing also is that this strap are adjustable. You can adjust it to fit you, and also you can remove them if you choose to remove them. This panty shapers has an upgraded 15 inches zipper design that will make it easy for you to do your number one or number two. It's an upgraded 15 inches zipper design. It's very long, you all can see it. This also has steel bones at the back. It has two at the back, which will prevent it from rolling down. It has an invisible side zipper right here on the side, and when you open it up, you're going to see the hook that you can use to hook it up whenever you want to put it on. The hook on the side. And finally, it has the exclusive butt lifting design, which is what we want in our body shaper. And the reason is because we don't want our God-given asset to be flattened just because we want to wear a body shaper. I really love this technology that they are putting, or this touch that they are putting into body shapers now. And this is what I look like without a body shape on my, see, look at that. You can see this side, the kind of material I'm wearing. I'm supposed to have a body shape. This ones I'm presenting, they are shaper panty. All right, so I'm not having anything under, and you can see a little bit of bulge stomach right here, if you can see it. Yeah, On the side, look at the side. See, because some material will call for you to wear a body shaper or shaper panty under it. Definitely. Look at the back. And this is the other side. Let me move so you all can see. This is the other side. Alright, so you're going to see the after. If you're going to use it with a strap, this is where it's going to stay on your bra. This is what the front is looking like. There is no skin roll back on the side or at the back. And this is what my butt is looking like. And this is the whole shebang. Front side, side view, back view, another side view, all smooth and nice. I really like the idea of this second one that it has this invisible zipper at the back, at the side, in the sense that you're not going to see it at the front. You know how sometimes when you wear a body shaper, you can see the shape at the front, that there is something underneath that clothes. With this one, you won't be able to see it because the zipper is on the side, which is a plus. Please endeavor to check out Shapellx. I will put the link in the description box. Also, please ladies, let me know your thought about this video. All right, please give me comments in the comment section, and please do not forget to like this video.